for Pin Media.
Sir. All present our achievements. Policy development model. We have so far received 771 million shillings, where each ward parties have used 257 million shillings. We have identified a number of successful stories during our monitoring. Education. Schools have so far started well, amidst so challenges like lack of seats. Secondly, school in our town council, so lands have not reported for students. Yet it is coming to a math. After structure, we have so open 7-kilometer roads under D-Deck. I.e. Chetume Wawi India Road, Panza Naz Road, our health center, Waboko, is doing well amid its great challenges. Emyoka Sako, Bale Tax Drivers Association were added 20 million shillings, and they bought a new tax. Bale Catering and performing arts were added 20 million shillings. Challenges by the town council. PDM funds is not enough since we have some wards, parishes with big population. Number 2, limited funds, especially for capital development. Number 3, limited space for maternity ward expansion at Waboko Health Center. Number 4, big volumes of garbage amidst our small finances and resources. 5, that is still a challenge since most water sources in our area have salty water. Lack of secondary school in Kitimbwa Town Council. Some cells, village and in Town Council lack electricity. Thank you very much.
Wow! Meeya, Meeya,